Hi guys, it's Len here. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how I make my banana loaf bread. Learn this. Now let's start with the dry ingredients. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. Now let's mix all these wet ingredients together and make sure the bananas are all mashed up. You don't want big chunks of banana in your banana loaf bread. Now this batter is ready to be mixed with the dry ingredients. And make sure all the ingredients are mixed completely. Now lightly coat your pan with butter or margarine so the loaf will not stick onto the pan. Woo! Oh, done. Look at that. Woohoo! Whoa, look at this. Oh, wait, wait, wait. It's so heavy. Oh, there you go. Look at this, guys. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. Look at that. Few simple ingredients and this is the result. You know, guys, I think this is perfect to pair with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee or a cup of chocolate. I think it will go with them very well. Look at that. Oh man, it looks like a big muffin, like a giant muffin. Look at that. Who would say no to that? Oh, this slice is so thin. I think I wrecked this one slice here. I'm gonna make a thicker slice so I don't wreck it again. That's what I'm talking about. That is the slice you want to eat right now. Look at that, guys. It's crunchy on the outside and it's moist on the inside. I think this is the best time where you want to put a slice of it on the saucer and then pair it with hot chocolate and kind of sit down by the window and just enjoy that moment. I think that is the moment for this one. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the subscribe button because I would love to see you next time. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.